Now this is what we can say. This is unlike all the other chapters. All the other chapters are intuitive in nature, right? So you have some idea of all the other chapters, right? But this is not intuitive in nature. Like there is a particular procedure that you should follow in order to solve questions from this. Okay. Just give me a minute. Okay. All right, guys, let's start. Okay. So first of all, we need to learn some concept. Okay. All A are B. Okay. So now what do we mean by this? Okay. We have to learn in terms of Venn diagrams. Okay. That is quite important. Okay. So all A are B, all A are not B, some A are B, some A are not B. Okay. So all A are B. The way we can represent it is all A are B. So this is B and this is A, right? So in this case, I can say that all A or B, right? But this is not the only case. There is one more case, okay? So B is this, A is also this, right? So A is also the same surrounding as B, right? So in this case also, all A or B. So whenever we say all A or B, these are the two possibilities that we can get. Is it clear for all of you?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, sometimes we say A or not B or all A or not B, right? So it means that there is no connection between A and B, right? So they are far apart, right? So not even one A is going to B. Okay, so this is A or not B or all A or not B. Then we have some A or B, right? So whenever I'm checking for some A or B, I have to just check whether some A or B or not. That means in this case, there are some A which are part of B. So this can be considered, right? And this can also be considered, right? There are some A which are part of B. In fact, there are all A which are part of B, right? So it is fine. Some A or B means you just have to check whether are there some A which are part of B. Some A or B does not imply that some A or not B. It does not imply that. Okay. You have to just check whether there some A which are part of B. So here there are some A which are part of B. So this comes under some A or B. For how many of you is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Then we have some A or not B. That means I have to find if there are some A which are not B. So if I consider something like this, right? So in this, there is this part of A which is not a part of B. So this is our valid figure, right? And then this will also be a valid figure because this part of A, I should have some A which are not part of B. So I have all this A which is not a part of B. So this is also possible. All of you, did you understand this? Because if you don't understand this, we can't move forward. All of you, did you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay, fine. Now let's move forward. Okay. Now A or B means all A or B. If sometimes he'll not give all, he'll just say A or B. Then you have to understand that all A or B. Sometimes instead of some, he'll give few, at least, seldom, rarely. Now all this means some only, right? Instead of some, he might give all these values, but you have to consider that it is some only. Okay. All right, let's solve some questions. Okay. Now how to do this? See, this is statement and we have to say which conclusion is true. First statement says that I'll do one question from then you can do first you can try. Okay, from next point. Okay, all A or B. So what are the possible way of diagram? So all A or B. So this is one and this is one, right? In both the diagrams or in all the possible diagrams, it should be true, right? Not in one. In all the possible diagrams, it should be true. Okay. Then he's saying that all B or C. All B or C means B will lie inside C and C can be this as well. So A, B, C all can coincide, right? So this is the observation. Now from this observation, we have to make conclusions. So what is the conclusion? All A are C. Is it true? So in the first diagram, all A are inside C. So here it is true. Here also all A are inside C. So here also it is true. The second, so this statement is a true statement. Now all C are A. In the second case, I can say that, right? In the second case, because C and A are coincident, all C are A. But in the first case, I cannot say that, right? All C are not A. So this is not true. So even if it is not true in one of the possible diagrams, it is not true. So therefore, what is the conclusion? The first conclusion is only true. That is all ARC is the true answer. How many of you understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Is this clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, only one follows will be your answer. Okay, do this one. Okay, someone has already sent me the answer. Okay, Srivas says 2. Okay, let's check. So I'll give these options. Yeah. Okay, I got one more answer. Okay, B. Okay, let's see. All caps are books. Okay, so caps are inside books. Okay, I'll take this case. The other case is most likely it will satisfy that. That's a simple case. Okay, but I have some sense of what that case is, right? So that is also in my mind. And then he says all books are pens. So books all are inside pens. Some caps are not pens. No, all the caps are pens, right? There is no pen which is outside. There is no cap which is outside pen. So this is a wrong statement. Some pens are caps, of course, right? So there are this is common area, right? So all these pens and caps are the same, right? So second is true. So option B, only 2 follows, correct. I hope all of you understood this. Good, great, guys, great. Okay. Yes, Tanvi, B is the right answer. Okay, try this one. Okay, E. Smaran says E. Shreya says A. Okay, let's see. Come on, guys, do all of you give your options. Like you have to try. If you try it now, then you will get in the exam. Otherwise, you won't get. Okay, try it. Okay, Vivan is also saying E. Tanvi is also saying E. Okay, let's see. Soumya says D. Okay, great. So you are getting different answers. Okay, let's see. Let's carefully observe this, guys. Okay, all of you carefully. All apples are bananas. Okay, so apples are bananas. No apple is cherry. Right? No apple is cherry. So we'll have two cases. One case can be like this, where cherry has some common part with banana. The other case is this, where cherry has no common part with banana. Yes or no? These are the only two cases, right? There can't be any other case, right? All of you understand? All of you clear with this one? All of you agree with this me? With me in this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Now let's come to some bananas are cherry. Some bananas are cherry. It is true only in this. Right. It is true only in the first one, but it is not true in the second one. So I cannot consider. Right. I cannot consider. No bananas are cherry. right? No bananas are cherry. That is true only in this one, but that is not true in this one, right? No bananas are cherry. That is true in this one, but it is not true in this one, right? Now, what will be the option? Neither your first one is following, nor your second one is following. Yes or no? No bananas are cherry means, see, it is the opposite case of all bananas are cherry. So bananas should lie inside cherry. So here no bananas are cherry means bananas and cherry should not have anything. Here they don't have anything, but here they have something in common. So that's not the thing that I have to look for, right? So this is not true for one case and this is not true in the other case. So what is the right answer? Both does not follow. Yes or no? Guys,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
right? Both does not follow. Okay, all of you. Is it clear with all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Shreya says C. Okay, let's discuss on this as well. So Shreya says either. So this is also condition you should check, right? This is a very good condition. So either one or two follows, right? So either this should follow or this should follow. Now, is it the case? Is it the case? Either this. So this is where you have to think. Either this or this. Will it be the case? Either this will follow or either this. So either some bananas will be cherry or no bananas will be cherry. Can you consider option C? All of you think about it. All of you think about it. Yeah. Now do this question. Okay, we'll put that question on hold. Okay. Now do this question. Shreya and all the others. Okay. Do this question. How are you going to do this question? And what is the difference between that question and this question? Okay, first do this question and tell me what is the answer in this question. Okay. Okay. Vasuki says D. Okay. Let's see. Come on, guys. Give your answers. Smaran says C. Srivas says C. Okay. Vivan says C. Okay. Right. All right. Now carefully observe. Okay. So all apples are bananas. Okay. So all apples are bananas. And no apple is cherry. Right. So we said that there are two cases. One is this case, cherry case. Right. And the other is apple, banana, cherry. Right. But here we missed one case. Can you tell me what is that case? We missed one case. What is that case? We missed
Sir,
a
cherry can be inside B, but not touching A.
correct. Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. So this is cherry and this is banana. This is also possible. Yes or no? This is also possible. Right. Now, when we say that some bananas are cherry, right? Some bananas are cherry. It is true in both of these, but it is not true in this. Okay, it is true in both of this and it is not true in this. Some bananas are not cherry. That means it is true in both of this, but it is not true in this. Now here, what condition will follow? See, either any three possibilities should come, right? So if you take any one possibility, what is going to happen? At least one of them are going to be true, right? So for example, if I take the first diagram, right? In first diagram, some bananas are cherry. That is true. and some bananas are not cherry, that is also true. If I take the second case, some bananas are not cherry, that is true. If I take the third case, some bananas are cherry, that is true. So what does it mean? Individually, both of them are wrong, right? Because they are not true in all the cases, right? They are not true in all the cases. So individually, both of them are wrong. But when you look at them together, right? If one is happening, then the other will not happen. If the second one is happening, the other one, so if second one is not happening, then the other one will happen. If the first one is not happening, then the other one will happen. So this means for this, what is the correct answer? Either one or two follows. How many of you understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, all of you understood this, right? So what is happening here? Either some bananas are cherry, right? So either that is true or some bananas are not cherry, or this is true. Individually, they might not be true, right? Individually, if I look at them without any, without any dependency, both of them are wrong because they're not true for all the three cases. But when I'm looking at them together, then at least one of them must be true, right? Because that is the cases that we are getting. Okay. But now let's come to the other thing. That is, okay, let me clear all my drawings. Now let come to this one. This one. Some bananas are cherry. Okay, so again, all apples are bananas. No apple is cherry, right? So one case, right? Apple, banana, cherry. This is the second case. Apple, banana, and cherry. This is the third case. Now let's look at here. Some bananas are cherry. True in first two cases. Okay, it is true in first two cases. But no bananas are cherry. It is true in which case? Yes, guys, no bananas are cherry. It is true in which case? It is only true in this case. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right. So some bananas are cherry. It is true in both these cases. But no bananas are cherry. It is true only in this case. Now, what will be the conclusion? Can either or works here? Will either or works here? It will not work here. Why it won't work here? Because it is not some or some not. Some bananas are cherry and some others are not. It is not that condition. It is some bananas are cherry and no bananas are cherry. Right? Because here is a condition in which all bananas are cherry. Right? Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right? So in this, what will happen? Both of them are individually wrong and both of them together also, we can't conclude that either one or two follows. So here the answer is neither one nor two follows. Option D is your answer. Clear?
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay. Okay, what about this one? Okay. Shreya says B. Smaran says B. So all A or B. Okay. So all A or B. No B or C. That means C will be outside. Some B or C. Of course not. Right. Because no B or C. No B or C is correct. So this is a simple question. No B or C. Right. So that's correct. Yeah. B. Wasiki, not D. B. See, here it is clearly given, right? In option, in observation statement, it is no B or C. In conclusion, also no B or C. So straight away, second statement will always be correct because it is already given. The same statement is given in the observation. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, what about this? See, whenever you are saying some B or not C, you have to see whether there are some B which are not C or not. You should not see for the opposite. See, if some B are not C, that doesn't mean that there are some B which are C. No, that's not true. Okay. Now carefully observe. Okay. Okay, Vasiki says D. Okay, let's see. So all A or B, no B or C, right? Some B or C is wrong. There is no B that is C. Some B or not C. That is correct, right? Am I able to find some B which are not C? Yes. I am able to find this all B which is not C. Then is this statement correct or wrong? Guys, tell me.
True, sir.
Vasiki, did you understand this? Am I able to
That
find
answer
some
was the
B which
answer
are not
for the
C?
previous question.
Sorry, Vasiki?
That answer was the answer for the previous question.
No, I did not understand.
Sir, that answer I gave was the answer to the previous.
Okay. Sorry. My bad. Okay. Yeah. So only 2 follows, which is option. Okay. Yeah, smart, correct. Okay, what about this? So yeah, says E, both 1 and 2 follows. Okay, guys, carefully look here. I think you are getting confused here. Let's look here. Okay, some avocado or balls. Okay, some avocado or balls means, oh, some avocado. Okay, there is a chance. Okay, so this can be the first case, and avocados can be balls inside balls. So this is second case. Okay, this is our main case. Okay, we look at this case. Okay, no balls or codes. No balls or codes means I can have 2 cases. No balls or codes. So codes can be like this. So this is one case, or B and codes can be like this. Okay, clear? Some avocados are codes. Not true because it is not true in this. So not true. No avocado are codes. No avocado are codes. True, right? Because this entire avocado is not coming into codes, right? What is the meaning of no avocado or codes? It is the opposite of avocado or codes. What is the meaning of avocado or codes? Avocado should come inside codes. So no avocado or codes means avocado should not come inside codes. And here also it is not coming inside codes, and here also it is not coming inside codes. So your option 2 is true. So only second option follows. Option B is your right answer. Is this clear? Or do you want me to discuss one more time? Yeah, guys, come on.
Sir, one more time.
Okay. Pay careful attention, okay? Some avocados are balls. So this is our main condition, right? Because that was a very, that condition. So that will satisfy, right? So avocados, balls. Some avocados are balls. Okay, satisfied. No balls are codes. Okay, no balls are codes. So codes can be here, right? So this is one case. Or avocados are here, balls are here, and codes. Sorry, code. There should not be any connection between balls and codes. Okay, sorry. So avocados, balls, and codes. Okay, this can be the other case, right? Now, what are the conclusions? Some avocado or codes. So again, I should check for only one condition. If it is not true in one condition, out of the story. Some avocado or codes. In this, some avocado or codes, but in this, it is not. Okay, in this, some avocado or not codes. So the first statement is wrong. Okay, is it clear till now for all of you?
Yes, sir.
Right, because it is wrong in one diagram, then it is wrong. I'll not consider. If it is true in all the diagrams, then only I'll consider. Okay. Second says no avocado or codes. First of all, no avocado or codes. We should understand that statement. What is no avocado or codes? Means, right? No avocado or codes. That means all avocado or codes means avocado should come inside codes. Right? This is the statement. Now, no avocado or codes means avocado and codes should not have any connection. Right? Avocado and codes should not have, avocado should not lie in codes. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Right? Avocado should not lie in codes. Just a minute, guys. Just a minute. I think I got confused myself. Okay, no avocado or codes. Okay. Correct. Okay. No avocado or codes means avocado should not come inside codes, or we can consider this like this as well. No avocado or codes means there must be no avocado which is a code, right? There must be no avocado which is a code. So that means this case. So in this case, it is false. Okay, because here no avocado is a code. So in this case, it is a false. What about this case? Can I consider this case to be true or not? Can you tell me that? Yes, guys. Can you tell me that? No avocado or codes. No avocado or codes means avocado should not lie inside codes. Okay, simple thing. Are you understanding this?
Yes, sir.
Right. And avocado does not lie inside codes. Or just give me a moment. Yes. I think I have confused myself. Let's go back to the statements. What is the statement? What is the statement? Yes. All A or not B. Now what all A or not B means? There is no connection between A and B. Right? There is no connection between A and B. Right? All A or not B means A is here, B is here. Yes or no? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, let's keep this thing in mind. A and C should be disjointed. Okay, let's see. Now let's get back to our question. Which question was that? Yeah, this one, right? Okay, this one. All right. So some avocado or balls. Sorry, some avocado. So some avocado or balls and no balls or coats. So this is one case, and the other case is balls, avocados, and coats. Okay, fine. Now the first statement says that some avocados are coats. Okay, and it is wrong in the first one, right? Some avocados are not coats. Okay, so here it is wrong, right? So the first statement is wrong, right? Second statement is no avocado or coats. So no avocado or coats means there should be this sort of relation between avocados and coats. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So it is true in the first one, but it is wrong in the second. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So that means both of them are wrong individually, right? But can I say that are they correct? Together, like when seen at once, are they correct? Again, that also we cannot say, right? Because here we are saying that no avocados are coats, right? Instead of no avocado, if there is some, right, some avocado are not coats, then I can say that. Clear? Because this means that all avocado must be coats, right? So that is not possible. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So here the condition is neither one nor two follows. Clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's go to this one. Now what? Now tell me what will be our answer here. So some avocados are balls, no balls are coats, right? So this is one case, and the other case is this. Okay. Some avocados are coats. So it is true in this, but it is not true in this. Right? It is true in this, but it is not true in this. Some avocado are not coats. It is true in this, but it is not true in this. So individually, both of them are wrong. But when looked, either this should happen or this should happen, right? Either some avocados will be coats or some avocados will not be coats. So in this case, it is either one or two follows. Understood?
Yes.
Tanvi, Soumya, Vasuki, understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shreya, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So mostly you'll get these questions, either one or two questions. That is his favorite questions. Okay. So, okay. So I think this is a previous year question. Okay. So 60% of the government employees went on strike, right? So 60% of the government employees. So again, whenever these sort of percentages, few, some, or all, these sort of things, you consider them as sum, right? So you can directly remove this and you can say some government employees went on strike, right? So if this is government employees and this is strike, so some government employees went on strike. Mr. Gopal is a government employee, so he can lie here, right? Or he can lie in the common part, Gopal. Yes or no? These are the only two cases.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, what are the conclusions? Mr. Gopal went on a strike. No, here he did not go, right? Mr. Gopal did not participate in the strike. No, he participated here. See, individually both are wrong, right? Individually both are wrong. But when looked at together, either he must go on strike, either he must go on lie here, or he must lie here because he can't lie outside because he's a government employee. He can't lie outside. So either he must lie here outside the common part, or either he must lie inside the common part. So either he went on strike or he did not participate in strike. So either one or two follows. How many of you clear this is?
Yes, sir.
All right. So this is previous year question, guys. Okay. All right. Okay. What about this one? Either one or is two correct. Okay, let's check. Shreya also says one or two. Okay. All right. So lawyers only marry fair girls. Okay, that means if this is fair girls, then lawyers only marry fair girls. Okay, so yeah. Shobha is very fair. So Shobha will be like this, either like this, or Shobha will be like this, right? So Shobha is married to a lawyer. In this case, it is true. In this case, it is not. Is not married to a lawyer. In this case, it is true. In this case, it is not. So both are individually false. But when looked at together, either, so she is a fair girl, right? And lawyers only marry fair girls. That means either she must be married to lawyer or she is not married to lawyer. So both are these cases, right? So either one or two false. Understood all of you? Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Cool, guys. So yes, either one or two, correct. Okay, now we have possibility, right? Possibility means, now what did we say? We said that conclusion should be correct in all the diagrams, right? But whenever the word possibility comes, even if it is correct in one diagram, we will consider that. Okay, that is the meaning of possibility, right? So there might be a chance. So if it is correct in one diagram, then also it is correct. Right, mostly, I mean, this is not there in your bit set. Mostly you will not ask about possibility, but still, we are just covering it to be on the safer side. Okay. For example, all the blades are sharp. Okay, so blades are sharp. Some blades are blunt. Okay, so some blades are blunt. No blunt is sword. So this is one case. Sword can completely lie here, or in sharp we have blades and blunt, and sword can lie here as well, right? All swords being blade is a possibility. All swords being blade is a possibility. Yes, it is a possibility, because there is one case like this, right, wherein this is sharp, and here we have blades, and here we have blunt, and in blades swords can lie, right, without the intersection point of blunt, right? So I should just only check whether I can find one diagram or not, and I can find one diagram, so therefore this is correct. But instead of that, all swords are blades. If this is not given, then this is not true, because it is not true in the remaining diagrams. Are you able to understand this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. Now he says some blades maybe, again, maybe means it is sort of a possibility only. So you have to check for only one diagram. So at least, whenever you see at least, you remove it simply. So this is some blades may be swords. Some blades may be swords. Is this true? Yes, this is true, because I can find one diagram in which some blades may be swords. So this is also true. So here there are some blades which are swords. So both are okay. So possibility may be, you just check for only one diagram, whether it is correct in one diagram or not. But for the statements, you have to see in all the diagrams. Clear, guys? Any doubts in this?
No, sir.
Okay. Cool. Okay. So those are your logical deductions. So that is how you deduce the logic and do this. Are you able to understand that? Those questions, are you able to understand?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
You'll definitely get one or two questions of those sorts. Mostly you'll get either or questions. So in either or questions, what will happen is both of them will fail, right? The first statement and the second statement will fail, but together at least one of them will be correct. Okay, so that's the case. Now solve this problem. This is a simple problem, direct problem. Okay, so solve this. Yeah. So there you have to make them sit around the round table, right? And you have to see, right, who sits immediate to the left of E. Okay, yeah. So try it. Come on, guys, try it and let me know the answer. You have to make them sit around a round table following these conditions. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Someone has given the answer. Okay. Shreya says D. Okay. Let's check Shreya. Let's wait for other people to solve it. Okay. Come on, guys. Give me your answers. Make them sit in a round table. Okay, follow one by one condition, right? So A sits second to the right of B, right? So first of all, when you are making them to sit in a circle, what is right and what is left, right? It has to be clockwise and counterclockwise. So which is counterclockwise and which is clockwise? And he has clearly stated that they are facing the center. So if he is facing the center, so his right will be what? Counterclockwise, and his left will be clockwise. Okay. One more minute, guys. I thought you'll do this. Okay, I got one more answer. Sir, I want to change my answer to A. Okay, okay, Shreya. So it's Shreya says answer is A. Come on, guys, at least give me two answers. We'll start. Okay, someone has given me answer. Okay, Smaran says F. Okay, let's check. Let's check one more answer. All right. So first of all, let's mark the positions, right? There are 6 positions. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Clear? Now first says A sits second to the right of B. Okay. So first of all, I have to make B to sit. So B is sitting here, right? B is sitting here facing center. Okay, facing center. Now A sits second to the right of B. Now what is right of B? So because he is sitting here to facing towards the center, his right will be this. Yes or no? Guys. Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Because he is facing towards the center, this will be his right and this will be his left, right? So second to the right of B.
Yes,
So
sir.
this is first to the right of B and this is second to the right of B. So A is sitting here if B is sitting here. For how many of you it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
Sir.
Next, E sits second to the left of C. Okay. E sits to the second. E sits second to the left of C. Okay. So for example, if E is sitting here, right? If E is sitting at C, then C will be sitting here at 2. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Because E can't sit at 3. Right, because E can't sit at 3. Why? Because if E sits at 3, then left of C will be A, right? So that position is already occupied according to our first this thing. Okay, right. So that is not possible. So if C sits here, then E is sitting here, right? E sits second. Oh, sorry, guys. This is left of E. E sits second to the left of E. It's okay. Then E will sit here, right? Because he's facing the center. This is right and this is left, right? This is E here. Understood so far? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Next, he says that B doesn't sit adjacent to E. Okay. Now, in our arrangement, it is clear, right? B is not sitting adjacent to E. So this arrangement is clear so far, right? Now, next it says that D does not sit opposite to E or C, right? If D is not sitting opposite to E or C, then here I can't place him. Can I place D here? Right. What will happen if I place here? Can I place him here, D?
No.
If I place him here, he sits. So 1, 2, 3. No, okay. D does not sit opposite. So D, I have to place him here. Yes or no? Right.
Yes,
Because if I place him here, he's not sitting opposite to C or E. Right. Then I have F left over. So I can put F here. Right. In fact, if I shift the positions of D and F, that will not be an issue. Right. So I can place it here or here also. That is not an issue. Now the question is, who sits immediate to the left of E? Now E is sitting here. For him, this is the right and this is the left. Immediate to the left of E, A is sitting. So A is your answer. Clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So what we have done, we have simply arranged them as per the instructions. Okay? All right. Stay, you gave the answer as A, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's cool. All right. Do this question. I think this is easy only. Second costliest is option A. Okay. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, right? A's car, right? A's car is the second costliest car, guys. Okay. See, B's car was costlier than C. So B is greater than C, but B is less than E. A's car was costlier than D. So A is greater than D, but A is less than C, right? So C is the connection point. Okay. So first of all, okay, let's say A is greater than D. So that means D is less than A, right? But A is less than C. So A will be less than C. But C is less than B. So C is less than B. And B is less than E, right? So therefore, whose car is second costliest? Least is D and second is A. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Okay, what about this one? PQTAB has different heights, okay? T is taller than P. T is taller than B. But T is shorter than A. P is not the shortest, but shorter than A and Q. Okay. Shorter than Q. P is not the shortest. Okay. First line. Okay. If P is not the shortest, then yeah. If T is not the so T lies between T is the middle one. Okay. Because T is greater than P and T is if P is not the shortest, then of course B will be the shortest. So B less than P less than because T is greater than both P and B. Now less than there is no relation between A and Q. So I don't know whether this is this or B less than P less than T less than Q or less than A because T is less than both A and Q, right? So it will be either A or Q. Clear? We do not know whether exactly who is greater, right? Because there is no relation between Q and A, right? So either it has to be A or Q. Option C, correct. Understood all of you? This one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Guys, did you understand this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. All right. So that's it, guys, from this chapter. So I'll see if I can share any worksheet around this chapter. Right? Okay, any doubts or any questions that you have?
Nothing.
No? Okay. So definitely you can expect one or two questions from this topic. 2 questions you can expect, right? Mostly around those logical B statements. So again, remember that to solve those logical things, you have to use Venn diagrams, and from that you can solve them easily. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay, guys. Then let's meet in the next class. All right.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.